Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you how to create a powerful matchbox in Excel without using any VBA. That means no macros, no coding, just smart formulas and filters. Let us jump right in. So first of all, you have to open your Excel. I am using the latest Excel. So if you have the 2016, 2017 or 2018 Excel app, it will still perform for you. So you will import your data that you're using. So I have the names here, I have the departments, and I have the location like that. Make sure your names are okay in there. So the next thing that I will do is to create is to set up the data as I've set up the data here. So it's very easy for us now to do our analysis. So since we have the list of names, we have a department and location, I want us to create a table. So click anywhere in your data. If you have your data displayed like this, click anywhere on your data. Then the next thing is go to insert, want to create a table, then click on table, like that. Then check my header, my table has headers, then click OK. You can see we have converted our data into a table, and then name your data, the title of your data. Like this one, I will name it as employee data, like that. Then I click enter. So my table is okay like that. Then the next thing I'll do is to create the search box. Now we choose a cell where the search will happen. Let us use a cell like this one, the E1. We want the search box to be the search to be here on our this column. So what we will do is we will come and type here search here. So the search will be here. Then, so this is where users will type a name, department, or location they want to search for. Then the next thing is to create a filtered output area. The next thing is to create a filtered output area. How do we do that? So we will use the filter and search function to display only the matching rows. So go to a new location, like for example, let's say here G on this location. Let me undo those changes. Go to any location like this one, G here. I will use this location. Then you can enter the headings like the names. Then the next one is departments, like that. Make sure your Excel is well extended. Then lastly will be location, like that. Then once you have this, then in this is down here, you will put this formula in there, the formula that I'm going to write here. So if you have it ready, let me just input it. You can see this formula. I'm using the filter function, filter employee data. The table that I'm using, the topic, then is number and all that. So make sure you key in this formula. Then what happened is the search this part, the search employee data column, the search employee data column, this one, the search employee data column. What it does, it looks for the typed keyword in each column. Then is number, this one, this function, it will look for, returns the true when a match is found. Then filter, what it does is it shows only the rows where at least one match exists. So let's try to type in something like so make sure you can click anywhere like that. Then make sure your headers are bold. Just go back here, bold, like that. So when you come here, try typing in IT, then you should see all the IT employee, IT, like that. Then hit enter. You can see the all IT employee that you have. You have Frank Mori, you have Irene Scott, and then you can also type in something like finance, finance, like that. Then hit enter. You can see only the employee, those that have returns, only those who are under finance. Then the next thing that I want us to do is also can also make it looks nice. So you can highlight the search cell, that you have here. We delete this. You can highlight the search cell, add a border like this. You can highlight this search cell, then go to add borders, then change the background color and format your output table to look neat. So it depends on what you want. So the search cell is this one. You can go here, then add all borders like that. You can also change the color of the cell that you're using, like put it like that, then now your data will look like that. So that is how easy it is, and you have just created a fully functional dynamic search box in Excel without writing a single line of code. So if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what other Excel tricks you want to learn next in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.